Hi everyone, welcome back to Lost Weekends. I've come over to Stuart Longton's today and Juliet is doing a make, so she's asked me to come over, do some measurements and we'll show you what she's making. So join us for this episode and it's a roll-up bed for a child. Thank you. So to make the bed, we've chosen which side our grandson Alfie's going to sleep on, and we've decided to choose the left side. So these are very comfortable, these seats in the Swift. However, they're not that comfortable when it comes to sleeping on. I know a lot of you out there have bought various mattress foams, so we decided to make something for Alfie that would be comfortable but yet suit him as a child rather than an adult. Some of the things on the market are a little bit grown up and we wanted something for a child. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you first of all how we went about getting all our measurements. So first of all we removed all the cushions. Like so, and that gives you your bed. Okay, we've measured from the top here to the end, and then we've done the width from the backboard there to the front of the cushion.
To make the child's bed, you need the following items: some medium density foam, some stockinette to cover the foam, a single duvet, we have gone for a summer duvet, and you need 2 duvet sets. You can have 2 plain ones or a plain one and a child's one, whichever you prefer. As you can see, we have put the foam into the stockinette and we have sewn up both ends with just plain thick cotton. The reason we have put the foam into a stockinette is it makes it easy to slide in and out of the quilt when we make the bed. We've turned one of the quilt covers inside out. We put the foam inside and marked it out. We then took the foam out of the quilt and we have then pinned it. Having double sewn the material, I have now used pinking shears to cut all the way around and cut off the excess material. And this is what the base looks like with the foam back inside the material. Once you're happy with how the foam fits inside the base quilt, take it out and turn it back inside out. Lay the top cover on the floor and then take the base cover and lay that on top of it. Take both sides and you need to sew down the inside so it doesn't show. So pick them up, and as you can see me and Phil have done, you need 2 hands to do it, is pin all the way along from one edge to the other. Now I've double stitched down the inside to give it some strength, so when now you turn it over to show the outside, you can actually see it looks a lot better. Well, it will be when it's ironed. And this is what it looks like made up. I would suggest though you put the quilt in first and then put the foam in. Again, you do need 2 people to make it up, but it looks really good, and I'm sure our sponsor Alfie will be really happy with it.
So that was Alfie's bed. It rolls up very easily. Now you could make that a little bit thinner if you wanted in terms of the foam. We chose to use a certain depth of foam, which will be in the comments below. But basically we decided that particular thickness was just right for Alfie. Now it's dependent on yourselves. We know foam isn't cheap, but there are places that you can get it at a discount price, so you need to shop around and even look online. Well, thank you very much for watching. We appreciate you dropping by and looking at our video. If you like this, please give us a comment and a thumbs up, and better still, just pop up there and subscribe. We'd appreciate it. But thank you very much all the same. Now join us again soon when we have another video, but until then, bye bye.